Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel Fold, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and clicking on the search bar right away. Following that, type in DevCheck, like that, and download this free app from Flarto Developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!